Hello friends, today's question that I'm going to address is what is the difference between a life insurance broker and a life insurance agent? It's a very interesting question. I have spoken about it in my previous um, blogs. In fact, my post from yesterday had a video that I had posted or that I had recorded 13 years ago, and in that specific video I also spoke about the difference between life insurance brokers and life insurance agents. But the most important thing is that even though there have been so many developments in the industry, but despite all that, despite the fact that there has been a huge role of technology in our world of financial planning and how business processes are being handled by technology, there we the brokerage world and the life insurance agents world still remain to be two most important and prime channels offering life insurance, health insurance, disability insurance, critical illness insurance, segregated funds solutions, and so on and so forth to the world out there. So let's talk about what is the what does a life insurance broker do? A life insurance broker or life insurance brokers are independent insurance consultants offering life insurance and related products and solutions to the world out there, to prospects and clients. They are independent, which basically means that they're not uh, uh, contracted with one insurance company. They work with a complete range of several life insurance companies. So I'm a broker and I work with almost close to about 10 to 12 insurance companies out there. And there could be brokers who are working with a large number of insurance companies. So basically, what insurance brokers do is that they try to understand what the needs of the client are, and on the basis of the needs of the client, they then try to provide the best possible solution, or they give options coming from different insurance companies for the client to be able to first be well informed and then take an informed decision on the basis of the different presentations or the different proposals that the broker has to offer to them. Doing that makes life insurance brokers a lot more client focused and oriented towards clients' needs. And that is a very important thing. Life insurance brokers also receive their training, and they get their training from the different insurance companies that they represent. And a lot of their time, their non-client facing time, is spent in building, in understanding different life insurance solutions, products and plans that are constantly being evolved in this very robust environment called the insurance marketplace. So let me tell you, insurance marketplace is a very dynamic environment. There are constant developments that are happening, whether it's related to customization of different products and plans, whether it's pricing, premium costs, cost of insurance, underwriting standards, you know, insurance companies are trying to introduce new sort of riders to their whole life policies and their term life policies and their universal life policies. And like that, there is a constant, change, development that's happening in the insurance industry out there. And life insurance brokers get to know all that information through the different forms of training that they receive, whether it's the form of a seminar or a webinar or a lunch and learn or workshops or conferences, conventions. These are all places, these are all opportunities which life insurance brokers receive, and that translates to the different sorts of ideas and training that they receive from the insurance companies. So when one is trained to offer solutions, then it's not about just selling a product, it's being focused on solutions. So I think there is then therefore the entire orientation is based on a solution and an advice-oriented approach as opposed to a product selling approach. And that leads to a long-term relationship. So life insurance brokers, we see, and from my personal experience, I have very long relationships with a lot of my clients simply because of the work that one has done over the years. And as you keep doing a lot of work, you are then satisfying clients' evolving needs. And as the needs are being created and you're addressing them and you're solving those and you're providing solutions to them, guess what happens? You build very good relationships, and that's how I believe successful practices are built. Life insurance brokers are compensated in the form of commissions. And those commissions don't come from one company, they come from companies that you represent. So if one sells a policy from one company, you get commissions from that particular company. And tomorrow if you sell another product from another company, you get commissions from that particular company. So your earnings are then spread over the companies that you represent or the companies that you do business with. That is generally the framework of life insurance brokers. Life insurance agents, on the other hand, and I can say this because many years ago, I was a life insurance agent, a captive agent. A life insurance agent, generally speaking, works with one particular insurance company. Maximum one or two additional companies are also something that life insurance agents can represent, but that representation is very restricted and it has limitations. But most common relationship, or the mostly they represent one specific insurance company. So their focus is to provide solutions that they can offer. So if they can offer solutions from one particular company, they try to make sure that that particular product is made to look relevant or is relevant to the client. So it's a sales-oriented approach. They do not have the possibility to go to different insurance companies and offer products and solutions of those companies. And in my experience, I feel that the best of insurance companies out there, the best, sometimes cannot offer all solutions to one particular individual. So you can be in a situation where one company can be a very good fit for a particular household and another company can be a very good fit for another household. Sometimes in one particular family, you would find that you have to provide solutions through different insurance companies. So one individual in the household has a policy with one insurance company, and the other individual in that household may have, just because of many factors, could have a policy from another insurance company. Why? Because that is very unique to the need of that particular individual, or something relating to the individual's health and so on and so forth. So that is the reason why you find that life insurance brokers are able to satisfy or provide a level of satisfaction which is very different from that offered by life insurance agents. Life insurance agents have a sales oriented approach. And when I say sales oriented, because in that outfit, they have sales targets, sales quotas that they need to meet, and their commissions or their salaries and commissions or bonuses come from the sales that they actually carry out or they do, and that leads to their progression. So very different philosophies, but at the same time, all I can say here is that for anyone who's looking for life insurance solutions, I think it's very important to, even if you're speaking to life insurance agents, it's very important to speak to someone who comes from a brokerage channel. And I'm saying this why? Because when you work with a life insurance broker, life insurance brokers generally will offer you solutions after shopping the market, if it's just rate oriented or quotation oriented, or if you are looking at some complicated solutions, then they can actually explore the different options that exist out there with different insurance companies. So I think it's very important to have that experience, which will empower you with reasonable information, and that information is only going to then help you in making an informed decision. I will be immensely pleased to assist people with their life insurance needs. I would help you review your policies. I could help you in getting customized solutions. Please feel free to reach out to me, and I look forward to having a one-on-one conversation with you. Thank you so much, and I look forward to receiving a message, and will then respond to you most promptly, and we can take our discussions forward. Thank you so much, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Bye-bye.